Now, being an engineer, being in marketing, I have few things to share with you. This company, Bharti Cement, today where it is, it's a joint venture with Vicat, a France company. Vicat are the first man in 18th century who built the first modern bridge in the Europe. And then he has expanded his business in the concrete and cement for about 20 countries in the world. We are a partnership with that group. So, with that, Vicat and Bharati today make a giant in terms of cement industry is concerned. Then we have expanded to 6 to 7 states. Now the plant, which has got a capacity of presently 2.5 million tons, it is also from November or December is going to be the 5 million tons, which will take it to the one of the largest plants in the country at one single location. Now, with this kind of growth, we have also developed the network, we have also developed the godowns. We have the motto behind is consumer not only trying to make quality, it should be made available to the consumer wherever he is. This is how we have progressed, and today we are very confident. We are trying to do the best to the society in terms of giving the quality. Now, I want to tell you a very important thing. Serially, last 6 years, I was a constant member participating in National Seminar on Concrete and Cement at Vignan Bhavan in Delhi. 6 years. Sir, please forgive me. Very modestly, I want to share with you a very important development. The development is when the speed of the construction was the main issue, grades of cement got developed. 33 became 43, 43 became 53, and then 53 stopped. There was no further migration to 63 grade. The reason you know that. 53 grade cement was giving a faster construction when we put to use. Across the country, people were happy using 53 grade cement. Then, last decade, there is a slow indications in the construction, quality of the construction, that when the grade of the cement goes more, it was giving thermal cracks in the buildings. You agree with me, no, sir? Yeah, very wonderful. I mean, so then I am trying to tell what you know, but forgive me. I want to share with, because there are some young engineers, at least to them I am a senior, so I can share with them. Now then, these thermal cracks over a period of time, what happened? They were interconnected in the concrete and becoming pipes, kind of conduits got developed in the concrete. This ingress of gases and other materials were damaging the health of the concrete, leading to durability problems. Last 7-8 years, what happened? The pioneering work done by the IITs, the pioneering work done by the National Council for Cement and Building Materials, Indian Concrete Institute, they recommended that you should use blended cements. Blended cements, either the fly ash based or slag based, you should use it.